Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of driving under the influence and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
I have your driver's license. Where's your proof of insurance? Is this your vehicle? Okay, can you put down your phone for a second, please? Okay, that's fine. You're free to call your husband if you need to answer my questions. In fact, why don't you step out of your vehicle for me? Ma'am?
Can you get Chad on the line?
I need you to step out of your vehicle. Ma'am?
Josh.
Ma'am?
Josh.
I'm asking you to step out of your vehicle. Next time I'm going to tell you to step. Next time I'm telling
Josh.
you, there will not be a third time. You will step out of your vehicle. No, I'm going to pull you out of your vehicle, though.
Josh.
It's my right. I'm going to tell you one more time before we...
Chad.
Miss Pickett.
Ma'am?
Miss Pickett.
Ma'am?
Can you get Chad
you need to
on
step
the
out
line?
of your vehicle.
Around 4 p.m. on January 7th, 2024, Trooper Jason Slaughter with the Florida Highway Patrol was dispatched to the scene of a motor vehicle accident involving two destroyed mailboxes on West Shore Drive in the vicinity of Soundside Boulevard. As he arrived on scene, he made contact with Deputy Curt Black of Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office. Deputy Black informed him that the driver of the Mercedes that had struck the mailboxes was not being cooperative. He then made contact with the driver of the Mercedes, and she was identified as Christine.
Ma'am?
Josh.
Ma'am, you need to step out of your vehicle.
Can you get
Okay,
Chad?
let's go. Come on, let's
He's
come.
pulling me out of the car, Josh.
Step out.
Josh.
Thank you. Let's go.
Okay, well.
Perfect. Now, stand up over here for me. Go away from your vehicle. Great. Stay right there. Thank you.
Who's on the phone here?
My husband.
Hey, this is Deputy Black. How you doing?
I'm Trooper Sergeant for Highway Patrol. Can you tell me what happened today? How did you end up here?
I'm heading home.
Where are you home? No, I'm going to go pick up some. How did you hit all these buildings?
Heading home.
From where?
I was heading home.
From where?
I got a pedicure.
Okay. Where? Those are your flip-flops? No. You told the deputies you left somewhere else. Where did you leave from?
From the pedicure.
Okay. But my question is, how did you hit all these mailboxes?
I was heading home for the pedicure.
You were heading home.
Yes.
But if you were heading home, how did you hit the mailboxes?
I was heading home.
I understand, but if you were heading home, you wouldn't have hit the mailboxes. You would have just headed home.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it does, because if you were heading home, you wouldn't have veered off the road and hit the mailboxes. Or you? No. We're still having a conversation. Okay. Have you had anything to drink today? Take any
Where's
drugs?
my husband?
Okay. Do you take any medication?
Where's my phone? You just took my phone
I didn't take your
from
phone.
me.
The deputy.
Your phone is on the
Ma'am?
front seat.
Ma'am?
You took my phone from me.
It's on the front seat.
Okay, well, let me talk to my husband.
Come back here, please. Ma'am?
No.
Ma'am?
Talk to my husband.
Ma'am? So here's the deal. I need to figure out how you wound up here. How did you hit these? What's the last thing you remember from this crash? What's the last thing you remember?
I'm trying to get home.
I understand, but you're not going anywhere with your vehicle.
Where are you?
1812.
I just want to get home.
65 of Florida 28.
Would you like me to talk to him?
Why would I want you to talk to him? I'm just trying to get home.
Zebra 05. Boy Robert November. T.
I'm just trying to get home.
RN. Should come back to GLS 550. Vehicle 1.
Can you get a hold of Chad?
Ma'am, can you tell me how you wound up here?
Because I'm trying to get home.
I understand that, but how did you get off the road and hit these mailboxes?
This is how I'm trying to get home.
Okay, how did you hit the mailboxes?
Yeah. I'm just...
You getting the signal 1 indicator?
Few, yes. Yep. Ma'am, I'm going to need you to set down your phone. Okay. I have reason to believe that you're under the influence of alcohol at this time. Are you going to admit or let us do a field sobriety test today? Can you participate in the field sobriety test for me?
Yeah.
I'll talk to him. Hey, this is Deputy Black. How you doing?
I'm requesting to participate in the field sobriety test.
Good. Where are you at, sir?
Ma'am, step out of your vehicle. Yes,
sitting
step
down.
out of your vehicle. This is not...
Okay, well, do us
over here.
Yep, do me a favor. When you get here, don't interfere with anything. There's a process that's getting ready to happen.
Thank you.
So she is...
I'm going to request that you provide a field
we are
sobriety test.
requesting that she performs a field sobriety,
Keep an eye out for it.
Yep.
And read her and polite consent.
and then we're going to go from there. All right? All right, so you're here in a couple of minutes. Where was she coming from?
What did she hit?
2 mailboxes.
2 mailboxes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Back in the car.
I'm getting water, bitch.
No.
Water. I can have water.
You were
Are
not
you kidding me?
having-
I can't have water.
No.
I can't have sips of water.
Cannot have anything right
Right now,
now.
you need to go to that push bumper of that car.
Okay, come on. Come with me.
No. I'm gonna have water.
You're going to come with me over to the front of my car. Come on.
Christine was asked to exit the vehicle multiple times, but she had to physically removed from the vehicle. After exiting the vehicle, she insisted on speaking with her husband and refused to answer questions. When the trooper asked her if she had been drinking, Christine denied consuming alcohol. Based on their indicators of impairment, Christine was asked to perform field sobriety exercises, and she refused to do so.
Have a seat right there on a push bumper. Right there.
Okay.
I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your purple urine. Your purple? Your blood alcohol content.
What's that?
Put this back in the car. Take this test.
Yeah.
If you refuse to take this test as I requested you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for the first refusal or for 18 months. Your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to use alcohol, blood, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take this test as I requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other penalty. This test is admissible as evidence in any criminal proceeding. If you are a CDL holder or were a commercial motor vehicle, your refusal to submit to testing will result in the loss of commercial driving privileges for a period of 1 year from today. If it's your second refusal,
So
you'll be
keep me
permanently
from drinking
disqualified
water.
for any commercial motor vehicle. Do you still refuse to submit to this test?
No.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So you're willing to take the test now? The breath test. You're willing to take a breath test?
Yeah.
You're not, so you're refusing.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Sit tight.
I want
Back
drink
where I asked
my
you to
water,
sit.
and you're gonna keep me from drinking my water.
I'm going to keep you from drinking your water. That is correct. You're going to sit tight right there. You're not going to move. I don't know that I can make it any
Josh.
clearer. He's going to stay over there, and he's not going to interfere with anything.
My husband.
That is correct. Your husband. Why don't you? I'll go explain what's going on.
Husband's the one in glasses.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, I see the car. Wow.
Okay, here's the deal. So she more likely is getting ready to get arrested.
I know.
Okay, for driving under
Well, I mean,
influence.
my God, the car.
Yeah, she's not being cooperative with us at all.
See that?
She's
I heard on the phone.
yep.
Yep.
So what I'm going to ask is just sit tight, hang out over here. Don't want to add anything to this situation. She's
No, I'm not.
already in a position. Where was she coming from?
Nola.
Nola
watching
Grill?
Nola on Pensacola Beach, and then
1480
That's what she did.
there.
Black female cab truck was parked in the middle of the road.
Were you
guys with her?
Got out
I was
and
there, and then
went
she
to
went to go have
the
pedicure.
complainant's neighbor's
Yeah,
door,
and
then
it was.
drove away. Time
That's where I-
Had she
5
been
minutes.
drinking then?
I don't know.
Okay, and that's fine. I'm not trying to get you to.
I don't know.
So, okay, just hang tight. Thank you.
Please listen carefully. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. the right to speak to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and have him or her with you during the question. You cannot afford a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. You can decide at any time to exercise his rights and not answer questions or make statements. You also have the right to stop answering at any time to speak with a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights? And did I explain them to you? Yes or no?
I don't.
Okay.
I do
Have you
not.
previously, what part did you not understand?
All of it.
Okay, perfect. We're going to start over again. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. Do you understand that? You have the right to speak with a lawyer for advice before you ask questions and have him or her present with you during questioning. Do you understand that? I understand you're not answering our questions. Right now you are refusing to answer my questions. You cannot afford a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make statements. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you speak with a lawyer.
Sit tight.
Whoa, what are you
My
doing?
husband. Josh.
Whoa, no.
Right,
Josh.
right here.
Do you
Hang out.
understand each of these rights as I explained to you?
No, I want to speak to my husband.
Based on the motor vehicle accident, the odor of alcohol, and her unwillingness to perform field sobriety exercises, Christine was placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Christine also refused to submit samples of her breath or blood for testing. A search of her vehicle incident to arrest revealed the presence of a mug that smelled like wine.
We've already talked to you about
Another
that.
step forward.
I want
You're under
to...
arrest. Turn around.
Josh.
Turn around. Stop. I got her. No, I've had enough of you.
Josh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my God.
I have a cage. One of you guys
Nope.
just run her up.
That's fine.
Meet you guys
I
up there.
just don't know what my husband
tight.
says.
He said,
Have you previously
What-
requested
what
to
is
speak
he
to a
saying?
law enforcement officer to allow you to speak with a lawyer?
Josh.
Stop. Stop.
I'm just asking about my
Put your hand behind
husband.
you.
"Put your other hand down."
Josh.
Have you previously requested to
Calm
speak to
down.
a law enforcement officer to allow you to speak with a lawyer?
Josh.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Turn around for me.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with us now? Yes or no?
I don't know what that means.
Do you understand the rights of that? Do you understand your rights?
I do not understand.
Okay, so you do not
I don't
your rights. The second
understand
time
what
you
you're
don't understand.
saying.
Okay. The
I
second time
don't
you
understand what you're saying.
I've read you your rights twice.
Okay.
Still don't understand.
She's double locked.
Oh, okay. My bad.
You got her? You take it on the way?
I gotta go up there anyway.
How many up to CJ?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to the SUV.
Josh!
The SUV?
I don't understand what is happening.
You're under arrest.
Okay, tell me why.
Huh?
Tell me why. Tell me why.
For DUI, I believe. That's what the trooper said. Have a seat.
You can send 22 for the alarm company.
I got her cell phone if you want to take it with you. Yep. Yep. I told you.
Oh, you weren't that for sure.
Let me get you her purse. You can have that. Hey, I'm going to leave the keys here.
You can 1022 for the alarm company. Alright, thank you.
Brandon, you want to ask her if she wants her purse and wallet or wants to go to the husband? I'm not leaving it in the car and then it get...
I'll just take it up there.
Okay. $188.
188.
Just for your info on the card, FHP 1015 on her.
10-4.
So, you know, all that cheap crazy fish. I mean, still.
Still doing the property.
Why don't we get a
Okay. A wrecker?
I already got one.
You got one coming?
It's on the way.
Okay. I can hang tight here until it gets here. Do you have a tow sheet or we? Okay.
That's literally done nothing.
Yeah, I got you.
I don't know what she was trying to take a sip of.
Oh, yeah.
So
Check that out. Does that smell like it shouldn't?
it smells like water.
The Yeti?
Empty, but wine.
Yep. Cool. So we have that as well. Do me a favor. I'm going to pull. Oh, I found video. All right, cool. So we do have an open container that smells like wine.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yep.
Perfect.
All right, I'm going to get up there.
Okay. He's going to have there's a tow coming for it, and it'll get towed. He'll let you know where it goes. But man, she did that thing pretty good.
No. I mean, that was solid.
Yeah, they'll
Two of them? Like that one?
Well, the first one was just your stand.
Christine was later transported to Rosa County Jail and booked in at 5:10 p.m. Christine was charged with DUI damage to property or person 316.193, 3C1, and resisting an officer without violence 843.02. The following day, Christine was released at 5 a.m. with a total bond of $1,000 pending her court appearance.
Entered,
Yeah.
postal mailbox, yeah. So we'll see. Again, this is going to be FHP's bag on whatever they do, but she's definitely being arrested on DUI. I don't know if he's going to hit any kind of obstruction or not on her or not. More than likely, if it was mine, I wouldn't be messing with it. But she's pretty evasive and pretty uncooperative. And that's